A homemade tea is always beneficial for the health. It brings wellness and body balance since many years ago. Today, we will talk about red dates, also known as jujube. Red dates are one of the most popular health foods in China. Chinese people treat red dates not only as a food, but also as a health tonic and traditional herb. But, nowadays not only in China, it is famous up to the entire countries in the world. Dried dates are soft on the outside with a sweet smell, and moist inside. It can easily consume in different ways. Nutritional value of red date tea. Red date tea or jujube contains many essential minerals and vitamins. It also rich with sugar, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin E, carbohydrates, and protein that good for the body. Health benefits of red date tea. Red date tea has numerous health benefits. But today, we will share the best 6 health benefits among them. 1. Liver detoxification. Consuming red date tea can increase the body's serum protein levels. Therefore, it works best in protecting the liver and detoxifying the body. 2. Maintain blood flow. Red date tea helps magnetic bracelets to control blood pressure. Therefore, it helps to maintain a strong flow of blood inside the arteries, and avoid fatigue syndrome. 3. For a better sleep. Red date tea helps to alleviate stress. It is good to manage insomnia, and result to better sleep every day. It can also bring a pleasant feeling and minimize dizziness. 4. Maintain youthfulness. Red date tea is a good antioxidant for the body. It helps to reduce the appearance of early wrinkles in the face, and maintain the youthfulness. 5. Reduce cholesterol. Consuming red date tea also good to maintain cardiovascular health. It helps to lower bad cholesterol, and avoid the possibility of cardiovascular diseases, such as stroke or heart attack. 6. Prevent cancer. Red date tea breaks down the nutrient absorption of cancer cell, and replace with a good cell in the body. Therefore, it is good to prevent cancer. How to make red date tea? To prepare a red date tea is not difficult. In fact, it is quite easy. Try out this recipe to make the perfect and healthy red date tea. Ingredients: 3 dried red dates, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 cup of water. Instructions: boil 1 cup of water, and while boiling, rinse the red dates and slice it. When the water is boiled, put the red dates in it and lower the heat for 2 minutes. Then pour the hot extract in a cup, and slowly add honey. Your homemade red date tea is ready to enjoy. Try to have a cup of tea every day in your menu. Feel the difference and enjoy the relaxing afternoon.